Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you 3 businesses that you can start with under $100. So if you're interested, stick around. With that being said, cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that and you want to make some more money, make sure that you click that subscribe button. Also make sure that you hit that notification bell because that will notify you every time I put a video out, because you don't want to miss any of that out, so that I can help you grow your bank account. So let's not hang around, and I'm going to give you 3 businesses that you can start with under $100. So the very first one is dropshipping. So if you've never heard of dropshipping is when you have a product from China or some other place, you don't touch the product and you just send it to the client. So basically you have a website and you order the product for your client. That's basically how it works, and you make a margin out of it. So most people do that with Shopify, the website called Shopify. It's not very expensive at all. You do have to pay a monthly fee, but it's very cheap to do and you can make quite a lot of money. I've done dropshipping in the past. It does work, I can guarantee that. And what you do is you contact some influencers when you're first starting out and you ask them to post about your product. So you have to spend a bit of money on influencers and a bit of money to keep your website up. But you can be in profit very quick if you know what you're doing, and knowing what you do is it just takes a little bit of time. It doesn't take a huge amount, but it's a very good way to start, and you can learn everything about it. You can do email marketing for free when you have that, and there's a ton of stuff, that can absolutely make you money with that. So dropshipping is one of the key ways, especially now that Christmas is coming up, whether you're watching depending on when you're watching this video, but it can be a very good way to start. Make sure you do your research first, but dropshipping is the very first business. So if you're interested, I made some videos about this at the beginning of my channel. These are still relevant today, so you can still watch these. The second business is you start a blog. So a lot of people, when they hear about this, they're gonna go, okay, well, blogging, I've heard about that. You get some free stuff if you do it well, and that's great, but I want to make some real money. I want to make a real business. Well, guess what? You can make a ton of money by making a blog. There's people making so much money. There are some people that made blogs about reviewing tech stuff. There's blogs about all sorts of things, and they post affiliate links in there. So if you do affiliate links, then that's how you're going to get money. There's a ton of people that are making a killing with that, just blogging, but you have to consistently put in the work. But here's the thing, if you want to build a real online business, that is one of the key ways to do it. So you can build an email list to help people out as well and send them some offers that they may be interested in. So creating a blog, depending on what niche it is, it can be really, really profitable, and that's extremely cheap because the only thing that you have to pay for is your website. And yes, you can create a blog for free, but I don't suggest that. Create a real one, a blog like a WordPress one, because that will make it so much more professional and people will trust you. So don't go for the free route. It's very cheap. If you want to do this, do that, and that will help you out so much. You can also run ads on your blog, but this is not the best way to do it. So I really, really suggest that you put some affiliate links in there so people can buy stuff that they actually enjoy, and you get some money from it. So you have to just get some traffic to that, but Google is very good at this. So if you create a good blog, this will help out. Now the third business that you can start is one that you can start for 100% free. This is something that I think is the best business to start. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. That's creating a YouTube channel. So a lot of people, when they hear about a YouTube channel, they think that that's cute, very nice, but that's not a way to make money. That's a 14-year-old, when they create a YouTube channel, that's just a way that they can feel good about themselves. But that's not the way it is. Sure, when you make a YouTube channel and you reach 1,000 subscribers, and I think it's like 10,000 views, then you can get like ad money, and that's not very much. Like, you get a ton of views and you don't get very much money. So that's not the way that I'm talking about. I'm talking about creating a YouTube channel that helps people out, that's really educational no matter what you do it in. Maybe you like flowers and you make a video about how to plant flowers. It doesn't really matter, but here's the key. You have to put some affiliate links in the description. So you put some affiliate links in the description and you get some money. So you say it when you post. So you say that when you have your video, and you say that this product may be able to help them out. So if they click the link, that will take them directly to the sales page and they can buy it. So that's a very good way to do it. Now, there is a more advanced way to do this, and that is creating an email list. So instead of putting your affiliate link in the description, which is 100% free, by the way, so if you have no money, that's a good way to start. But once you start getting going, the second thing that you can do is create an email list. So you will have to pay for that, because you have to collect emails, and you have to have an email sequence which is just sending emails automatically. And I say this in some other videos, so I won't go into too much detail about this, but you have to create an email list and you can send them some offers in that email list. So you can send them offers over and over again, even if they only watch just one video and they put in their email. So that's the third business that you probably could start, 100% free, this one, and that's probably the most profitable one. Some people are making millions just doing that. It's properly insane. So if you know how to work out or do anything, you could create a YouTube channel. Blogs are pretty good. Dropshipping, I've done this in the past, so it works as well. It really depends on what you want to do. So these are the ones that you can start for under $100. So with that being said, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, make sure you hit that notification bell as well. And make sure that you watch my other videos as well, because I've got plenty of content on increasing your bank account number. So I'm really sure that this could help you out. And with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.